Good morning, one and all present over here, and warm welcome to all freshers. As we are eagerly waiting to know you all, so welcome to this new world, guys. Also, I would like to extend warm gratitude to all for giving me this beautiful opportunity to welcome all the freshers to our Wales family. Education. Education in today's world is not just teaching and learning within four walls of a classroom. It is about creating awareness, and awareness is not only for the students, it is for the general public too. Our college has realized the need to create awareness about itself among the people, and we are doing our best to meet the requirements. This is surely a special day for you all, as today you are going to start a new and fresh journey of your life, full of challenges, milestones, and achievements. This is the day with many new mixed feelings of happiness, confusion, fear, and excitement. But don't worry, we are here for you to make sure that this journey is memorable for you all. I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to introduce our director, Captain N. Kumar, to address the students and parents. Welcome, sir.
Hello, thanks, Ms. Rajapriya. Thank you very much. And good morning to all our faculty members. And good morning and warm welcome to all the students enrolled for the BSc Nautical Science program batch 22 in Wales University. And also a warm welcome to parents who are present online now. I welcome you all cordially to the Wales family and to School of Maritime Studies. As a matter of fact, once we normally inaugurate the program, we even do have what is known as an induction and orientation, which is normally conducted within the first 2 weeks of commencement of the course. That will be done even this year, but it will be delivered online to you. Today, the classwork is supposed to start with this inauguration. After this, the faculties will get in touch with you, which is the main platform that we are intending to use for video delivery of the courses. And also, you will be enrolled in the Google Classroom, of which email you would have received. You are expected to acknowledge it. So then it will be split into two groups of section A and B in alphabetical order. Separate groups will be created for section A and B. The faculty will be added, and we will all be in touch with
beans சரியான beans கேக்கலடா இந்த beans வந்து கறி மாதிரி கேக்குமே உனக்கு மியூட்ல போட்டா தான் கேக்குது இப்பதான் கேக்குமே அது இல்லடா பாட்டி சூப்பரா இருக்கு கறி பொரியலுக்கு செம டேஸ்டா கேக்குதா இல்லையா இப்ப கேக்கல கேரட் டப்ரா பேர்ச்சி சொல்றேன் பேசவே இல்ல அப்புறம் எப்படி கேக்கும் சவுண்ட் வச்சிட்டீங்களா
Okay. Information I have put everybody on mute. Only when required, you will be asked to unmute yourself. This is a standard discipline measure we need to follow to help us run this program smoothly. And one disclaimer, in between, if there is an internet connectivity problem from the host end, you all continue to remain online. Immediately, we will switch over to the other connection available, and I'll come back online. So you need not go out of the all ever. Now that said, today will be more or less a day that is given to you to settle down. All the the sessions will come online and explain about their background, the course background, do's and don'ts, what is expected from you. That will be the agenda for today. Informatively, the batch, as I mentioned earlier, is the 22nd batch of Wales University in conducting nautical science program. We have been running this course for more than 20 years successfully. The program is of 3-year duration, and therefore this program will end in 2023. Today we are in 2020, so in 2023 the program will come to close. So you will graduate in nautical science in 2023. That said, I would like to introduce all our faculty one by one to all of you, for them to be aware of who you are and you to be familiar with all our faculty members. Though right now today we will be introducing more or less only the faculty who are going to teach you in the first year of the nautical science program. Later during the program, you will come across many more master mariners, senior faculty members, both marine and non-marine, who will introduce themselves and educate you. That may I now request our senior master mariner, Captain Kumar Krishnaswamy, to please introduce himself. Sir, please unmute yourself first and then you can speak, sir.
Good morning. Thank you, sir. Good morning to you all. I am Captain Kumar Krishnaswamy. On Wales, they used to call me Captain KK. All the students heartily welcome on board Wales SMS, School of Maritime Studies. And thank you very much for all the parents, those who are participating. All are welcome on board. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. May I now request Captain Vaidilingam, KPV, sir, fondly is called as. I request Captain Vaidilingam to introduce himself, students and their parents. Please unmute yourself, sir. Vaidilingam, sir, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, boys and senior faculties and Captain Kumar. And this is a welcome speech to the boys who are all newly joined to our 22nd batch. And I'm heartily welcoming everyone. And I'm the one of the faculty who going to take a lecture of marine meteorology. And you will be cordially taken care about all your studies and all that. Please don't worry and don't fear for anything. Whenever I'm giving you a lecture, you just raise your doubts and you can get clarified then and there. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, with that said, may I now request our senior marine instructor, Mr. Gopinath, to please introduce himself. Mr. TB Gopinath, please. Sir, please unmute yourself first and then speak. Mr. Gopinath, please. Okay, as we are waiting for Mr. Gopinath to join in and speak. Now, in the meantime, I request Ms. Maheshwari, Nautical Physics faculty, to introduce herself. Please unmute yourself, madam, and then speak. Maheshwari, please. Maheshwari,
hello.
Unmute.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, good morning, sir. Thank you, sir. Good morning to everyone present here. My name is Maheshwari. I have completed my Master in Physics. I have received my gold medal for UG and for my PG from University of Madras. Right now, I'm doing my PhD in nanotechnology field. I'll be handling nautical physics and electronics for you guys. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Now, I request Mr. John Chrislin Matthews, who is the English faculty of the School of Maritime Studies, to introduce himself to the students and parents. John, please unmute yourself and speak. Mr. John, please unmute yourself and speak.
Good morning to one and all. Myself, John Chrislin Matthews. I'll be handling English 1 and 2 for the first years. I've completed my MA English Literature from Loyola and MPhil from Wales University. I'm an alumni of Wales University also. Presently, I'm pursuing my PhD in English. I'll be handling English 1 and 2 and communication skills for you students. Welcome on board. I welcome everyone, parents, children, and everyone to Wales University School of Maritime Studies. I hope that your 3-year stay here will be a very happy and entertaining one. We'll learn together and we'll learn new things and needed things for all your career and also for your personal life. Thank you. Welcome on board.
Thank you, Mr. John. Now, may I request Ms. Irayarasi to unmute herself and introduce herself to our BSc 22 students and their parents. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rasin. Okay, so I'm in soft skills for you people. So I'm welcoming you all people to join in this School of Maritime Studies. So we have great future ahead. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Now I request Mr. Rajasekaran, mathematics faculty, to unmute himself and speak. Mr. Rajasekaran, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to all. Myself, C. Rajasekaran, mathematics faculty, going to handle nautical max 1 and 2 in your first year. I wish you all the best for your success in 3 years BSc Nautical Science program. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. May I now request Mr. Rajapriyan, who will be handling the subjects later in the program, but he will be the coordinator for all the examination related activities, with whom most of the students will be introducing themselves with any issues regarding examinations. So may I now request Mr. Rajapriyan to come online, unmute himself and speak.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to all. Myself, Rajapriyan. I'm going to handle computer science and environmental science in your second year. I completed my MCA and MTech in computer science and engineering, and I'm also coordinating all your internal as well as our external exams in our campus. I wish you for your success in your life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Now, not the least, I would not like to miss today Mrs. Rajapriya to be introduced. Mrs. Rajapriya is a faculty member of the School of Maritime Studies. Now may I request her, she will not be teaching right now in the first year, but she will very much be a faculty member of BSc Nautical Science going forward. So I request her to introduce herself. She is also the anchor for today's event.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning to all. I'm Rajapriya. I'm having 12 years experience in teaching, and my qualification is MBA, MSc Psychology, MPhil, and I have done my PhD in management. And I'm handling management papers for BSc, and I'm taking care of grooming personality and skill development programs. So all the very best, guys. Wish you all success in your life. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. Now may I check on Mr. T.B. Gopinath, Senior Marine Instructor of School of Maritime Studies, whether he is available online to speak now. Mr. Gopinath, please unmute yourself and speak. Mr. Gopinath, please speak now.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I can unmute myself, sir. I am Gopinath, and I am a senior marine faculty over here, senior marine instructor, and I have done my training from T.S. Dufferin and has been with this college for quite a long time. I will be taking one subject, Ship Operation Technology, which is the only core subject in the semester 1, about which we will be talking in the class. My association with this college has been very good. You are all welcome, and I hope that your stay over here will be very comfortable and you will learn so that you can become better officers at sea. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your introduction. Now, the introductory part of all the faculty members are over, but I would like to remind you the faculties who have introduced themselves are all more or less those who are going to interact with you, teach you only in the first year. The School of Maritime Studies is blessed with number of faculty almost running up to over the 40, those who will be interacting with you as the course progresses. We did not want to take much of your time due to paucity of time and introduce each and every one of them, which is not feasible. That is why we have restricted ourselves to introduction of faculty members who will be interacting with you in the first one academic year. With that said, I'd like to now show a small PowerPoint. Since you are not physically present here, you are not seeing the campus, you would like to know a little bit more about our institution. We'll run through that, then I'll have further interactions with you. Okay, now we'll continue from here. The School of Maritime Studies does consist of, namely, it has got marine engineering as well as nautical science, though right now we are now discussing about BSc 22, which is nautical science program. To briefly tell the history of the school, It was founded in 1998 and we got our approval in 1998. From BSc Nautical Science was started from 1999 onwards. The present batch that we are having is the 22nd batch. In addition to the Nautical Science program, we also do offer Marine Engineering program. Now, as I told you earlier, all the faculties after introduction, I told that the course is for a 3-year program and it will complete on 2023. Now, our university, this program is affiliated to Wales University, which is a deemed university. We got our approval as deemed university in 2008. The institution, in addition, is also approved by the parent body, which is in Bombay. We have got the approval in 1999, 98-99 academic year. The copy of this approval letter will be given when you come to these courses physically, when you come here if required, and also it will be given a soft copy in due course in the next 1 week. For raising bank loans or anything, you will need these approval copies. Once you finish this program of 3 years, you will be asked to sail on board for 12 months, which is known as the sea time, for you to obtain the COC after completing the examination at MMD, which is what is also known as the placement, which we will be helping you to secure in due course. These programs, as per DG Shipping, are also having some sort of physical training also involved. Therefore, you need to give one indemnity form. A standard format is available, which will be shared with all of you, which you have to sign, your parents have to sign and submit to us. There are do's and don'ts for any institution, schools or colleges. Such is available for our institution as well, which we call it regulations, rules and regulations of the. Informatively, this BSc Nautical Science program is a 3-year program which is commencing this year. It will go on up to 2023 when you will graduate. After graduation, you will be required to have 12 months of sea time before you go for certificate of competency. That is also known as placement. We will help you with that. This course has got a lot of training modules, because of which you will also be asked to give an indemnity form. Your format will be prepared and given to you. You will also be given copy of university regulations, letters, and also you will be given what is known as the form for applying for INDOS. We will need some details for that. That is why we are also insisting that you need to have passport. Passport is a mandatory document for applying for the INDOS number. As I told earlier, university has got a set of regulations, that is do's and don'ts. You need to strictly follow that. Discipline will form very important part of this training. I always used to tell the students there are 2 I's in the part of training. One is very good discipline. The other is being good in academics and studies. If somebody is a very, very good student academically and is not good in discipline, he cannot make much progress in career. On the other hand, if a person is extraordinarily well disciplined but is not good in academics, that is also not going to cut much ice, not much progress can be made. So we have to be extremely watchful of this. You have to have the checks and balances in place to ensure that you are well disciplined and at the same time good in academics as well. In this university, informatively, there is no ragging of any such activity which can be construed as ragging. If you have any problem when you come here to the college, you can always let us know. We are here to help you. This is mandatory for us to disclose and inform you. As per Tamil Nadu government policies, you also will be required to give an undertaking that you will not indulge when you become seniors in the future that any activity which can be construed as ragging. It is a safety measure. Informatively also, the institution has got anti-smoking, anti-narcotics, and anti-alcohol policies. You will be strictly expected to follow the same. Like I am wearing uniform, some of the mariners who are wearing uniform, you will also be provided uniform once you come to the college. Measurements will be taken, it will be provided. You can be proud to be a mariner wearing uniform. You will be expected to have inoculations against typhoid, hepatitis B, and chicken pox. Those who do not have it, we will arrange to provide. Across the road, we have got Wales Mission Hospital. We can provide the same. There is something called continuous discharge certificate. This is required for anyone to sail on board. Without this certificate, you don't become a seafarer. But for obtaining the certificate, in addition to the pre-sea courses, you also need basic STCW modular courses, which I mentioned earlier, such as the personal safety and social responsibilities, medical first aid, firefighting, and security. If you do these courses, you are eligible to apply for this certificate, which the courses you will do here, we will assist you in applying for the CDC. When you go away from this institution, you will have this continuous discharge certificate with you. Also, when you do come here, your original certificates of 10th, 12th, and your TC will be collected from you, kept under our safe custody. As and when required, you may collect it from us for your personal use if anywhere, anytime it is required by signing it. But I would strongly recommend that all of you keep a copy of this certificate, scanned copy of this one at your home and in your Google Drive or somewhere, so that you don't have to keep on asking us. Make a color scanned copy of this and keep it safely with you. With respect to placement scenario, we have some of the companies which are regularly supporting us, such as KLN Ship Management, which has been with us for more than 15 years now. They have been recruiting regularly from our institution. From your batch also, we expect they will recruit. But it is very important that you study well, perform well. In addition to that, in the past, there have been cases where Mitsui ASK Line has recruited, Sanmar has recruited, APJ Shipping has recruited, Management Limited has recruited, and Aerodonautic also has recruited. There are a number of companies which will support us, but all depends on how you perform also. Normally, a semester lasts from July to December, that is the odd semester, and the even semester lasts from month of Jan to May. At the end of every semester, normally you will have 1 month of break, which is normally known as vacation. But unfortunately for this particular semester, because of the pandemic, we are cancelling all the vacations in the month of December because we need to complete the syllabus and conduct the exams also. And anyway, the entire world and all the student community have had a very long break of 4 or 5 months so far. So I hope it would not matter to you. You would like to focus on education now for this semester. From next academic year, yes, you will have it. You are all strongly encouraged to have mobile phones even when you come here, a smartphone to boot, but you would like to make sure that you will not use it during the class hours when you are physically here. Right now, you may be joining even the classworks using the smartphones. I am saying when you are here, you would like to keep the smartphones in silent mode or leave it in the hostel and come. The safekeeping of these phones will be your responsibility. In addition to that, you may like to have a laptop, but again, as and when required only, you will be allowed to bring it to the class. Though in the past, we never used to do it. With the changing times and the blended learning program that is going to be the future, you would like to have it, but safekeeping of it will be your responsibility. Apart from that, I strongly would suggest that do not go around and ask your parents for any expensive gadgets or electronic items, which will be a waste. Money is a scarce resource. It should not be wasted. Every 1 rupee saved is 1 rupee earned. Keep this very much in the mind. Once you do come to the college, visitors are allowed during the working hours up to 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening. But beyond that, no. Every week you will have Sunday as a break. As a city leave, you can go out and come. We will also provide swimming training to you. In our Pallavaram main campus, we have a swimming pool. Weekly once, one of the duty officers will take you, accompany along with you. You will be provided basic swimming training to be aware how to survive in the water. To that extent, we are not going to make you a national level or state level swimmers. We will teach the basics of swimming, how to survive in the water. To that extent, it will be taught. Do not ever be scared of the ship. Do not believe any rumors, anything that anybody may be saying, whether your seniors or anybody else when you come to this college or even now when you are at home. Any doubts you have with respect to this profession, any clarity that you need, feel free to contact any of the senior faculty who were introduced to you or me or the admin office here. Will be always there to help you and clear your doubts. We have been in the maritime training for more than 20 years now. That speaks volumes of itself. For an institution to survive for more than 20 years, they should be doing something right. That is why we are in this place right now today. So we will take care of you, make sure your career is launched very safely into the seafaring. So be trustful of this fact. Any problem, anytime you have, please talk to us. Do not come to any haste conclusions on basis of scanty information. That is very, very important. As you would see that this presentation has been only with the language English. In fact, all the faculties also introduce themselves in English, because this course nature is such. We have candidates who come from all over the country, from various states. And the communication language stated as a policy at School of Maritime Studies and Wales University for medium of instruction is English only. We expect all of you to improve your communication skills. We expect all of you to be better in English. That is the reason why we are communicating in English only. We expect this from you. We need your understanding and support on this. As I told you in the beginning, depending on the number of students, the sections will remain. Normally, we used to have 90 intake, then we will have 3 sections. Now, right now, the number has not reached 80, so we will be in 2 sections, 40 each. And once the number crosses 80, you will be split into 3 groups. Now, alphabetically, after this meeting, your names will be put in 2 WhatsApp groups. That is section A, first 40, the section B will be the second 40. Faculties' names also will be added there. We will circulate the timetable, weekly timetable of all the online classworks, and the links for these sessions will be shared directly by the faculty with you. As mentioned earlier, you will all be included in a Google Classroom where your email you would have received already, which you are supposed to acknowledge and join the class. All your assignments, classwork links, anything regarding the studies will be shared there only first. And after that only, it will also additionally come in the WhatsApp. Assignments, assessments, everything will be Google Classroom based only for the time being. Later, maybe about a month or so, you will all be allotted with email ID and password with official walesuniv.ac.in domain. You will become part of the Wales officially. Then we will shift all your individual email ID, swap it with the Wales University email ID. So that will take for some time, maybe about a month or so it will take. Now, more or less, I have briefly told because of this internet connectivity issues, I could not go dwell much deep into it. I will try sharing the PowerPoint, which I missed out earlier. I require your patience. Just be there on. I'm going to do the screen sharing now. I hope I'm audible now. Rajapriyan, please confirm I'm audible.
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Just for confirmation. My dear students and parents, as mentioned earlier, the School of Maritime Studies does consist of 2 departments, namely Marine Engineering and Nautical Science. Today, we are starting this program of Nautical Science. To tell briefly the history of the school, it was founded in 1998. We got our initial approval in 1998. From 1999, the Nautical Science program started. And in 2004-05 academic year, we started this BE Marine Engineering, just for information only. We run all these courses, that is BSc Nautical Science, BE Marine, GME and DME programs in our institution. As I mentioned earlier, value-added courses of basic firefighting, first aid, PST, PSSR, security duties are conducted, which is mandatory for you to obtain the CDC. It will be conducted somewhere about the vacation of 4th semester of the program. Informatively, we have 25 classrooms, 27 labs, 5 soft rooms. These all are available in the School of Maritime Studies, which you will familiarize yourself when you come here. In the meantime, later today, we will also share with you 360-degree photographs of various facilities that is available in our campus. Some infrastructure and learning resources which are special in nature, which is available in School of Maritime Studies, are a ship in the campus, bridge simulator, engine simulator, firefighting mock-up, fixed firefighting system, reefer containers for familiarization, swimming pool as I mentioned in the other Pallavaram campus. Over and above all this, we also have a medical first aid room and access to Sri Aishari Velan Mission Hospital, which is right across the road from our campus. This is the shipping campus which I mentioned. As part of your training during the 4th, 5th and 6th semester, you will have some modules of marine engineering, which basics you will be taught. These are the control room available in the shipping campus. What you see is known as the bridge simulator. The navigating officers will finally be doing their navigation of the ships from the bridges of the vessels. Now, to get a feel of it, a realistic learning of this hands-on experience and experiential learning, during the program, during this 5th and 6th semester of BSc Nautical Science, you will be having a familiarization session, which will be run by senior master mariners like Captain Kumar Krishnaswamy sir. There are some classrooms which are totally ICT enabled. This is, for example, one which is available in our simulator room. We have 2 computer labs with high-speed internet connection, with each of them having about 25 desktops. E-learning module, which is done by the Directorate General of Shipping, which is the parent body which approves all our courses. You are all, once you are given this INDOS number, free to go learn online also. In addition to the STC, which is compulsory, which you have to learn online before you physically do it, you are free to go and learn all the modules which is available for free. E-learning teaching material for the complete program is being prepared in-house for all the subjects by all our faculty, for all the programs. This will be shared with all of you. Herein, I would like to mention for the first year, whatever the first semester, textbooks that is required will be shared with you during this next 1 or 2 days by email to you, which you can access through the Google Drive. For all the subjects of the first semester, I repeat, textbooks will be shared as a soft copy with you through Google Drive. In addition to that, our faculty members will on regular basis keep sharing PDF files, PowerPoints, video links, whatever is required for learning purposes. We have a fully functional library, which is for the departments, has got over 5,000 titles. You will be free to access them and borrow books as and when required. We have a number of memorandum of understanding. The first and foremost one is the K-line, that is for the recruitment and placement purposes. There are some other like Australian Maritime College and Maersk Training Institute, which may not directly mean anything to you, but may come handy later in the future. In addition to this, we have a collaborative program, HND Nautical Science, which we run with City of Glasgow College. Apart from that, Online Shipping, KSM Ship, and CT Management do also have MOU with us, all for your placement purposes only. This is also Bharat Marine, SBM, RPSL service providers for the placement purpose of all our cadets when they finish the course. Our students are always involved in various extension activities. In one such activity which happened in 2018, our students went and involved themselves in the cleaning of the beaches when there was an oil spill at Ennur Port, for which we were given Medal of Honor and Certificate of Appreciation by the Tamil Nadu government. We do have national conference every year from 2016. We are doing some of the photographs that you see are for the previous years. For example, 2018, 17, and 16. Last year also we had. This year also we will have, but it will be online as a webinar. Our students, as I mentioned earlier, do involve in various extension activities. What you see now, the Certificate of Appreciation given to our cadets for blood donation camp that they have participated in. We have a palliative care hospital. Our cadets go offer help and succor to the terminally ill patients who are available there on holidays and Sundays. The curriculum that we will be following, that subject that we will be learning all originate from International Maritime Organization, which is a UN body. Then it has been further refined by DG Shipping as required to be delivered on unitized basis. We do it in the Board of Studies, School of Maritime Studies, and all that you are learning are CBCS type as approved by UGC. Admission process, you are well aware. When you come here, you will be required to undergo the medical test if you are not already done. Medical fitness is an important criteria for this course, especially with respect to eyesight, which we have informed all of you. Many of you have even submitted the certificates. The faculty members who they have introduced, majority of them are mariners for teaching the core subjects, and they have wealth of experience with them, each one of them. We also arrange for power plant visit, regular ship visit at Chennai Harbour, container terminal visit. In the past, we have also visited Indian Naval and Coast Guard ships when they were in the Chennai Harbour. Once we had even arranged for visit to INS Rajali and National Institute of Ocean Technology, which has got relevance to our programs. We will also introduce you to Meteorological Observatory by way of having a visit there. This is one of the most important aspects you should be aware of. Average pass percentage of our programs is in excess of 95%. We have got a very decent placement records despite the market being tight. In the month of November onwards, we are planning to have an in-house placement coordinator who will be full-time job attending to your placement needs. Over the past 20 years, we have produced more than 2,100 seafarers successfully. For those who are not already aware, the shipboard working environment is actually hierarchy based. What I mean by hierarchy is rank based. What you see in the right hand side bottom, that is where you will start in the ship as a trainee deck cadet initially. Once you finish 12 months of this training, then you go to the MMD and give the examination of second mate foreign going. Once you get the second mate foreign going license, you will be eligible to work as third officer, and then you will be promoted with experience to second officer. Then later, when you pass the chief mate examination, you can become chief officer. Even after that, further, you have to give this master mariner competency license examination. Once you pass that and get a master license with sufficient experience and backing of the company, you can become captain of a ship. All said, it will take time. Everything is organic. Nothing happens overnight. Work hard, do a lot of sacrifices. It takes give or take about 1 or 2 years, roughly about 10 years for one who starts a merchant navy career to become a master mariner and a captain of a ship, roughly. We do briefing before the admission, which we have done to already all of you over online modes, and you will be signing some affidavits which I mentioned earlier. We will take feedback from you. As I mentioned earlier, the environment is totally ragging free. If you have any issues with respect to this, you will be requested to inform us. In addition to this, towards the 3rd or 4th semester, we will also conduct a program called cross-cultural awareness, because today the maritime industry working on board ship has got number of people who are from different nationalities, different cultures, different languages. So for you to appreciate that, it is very important that you be aware of it in the first place. The course of cross-cultural awareness serves that purpose. This is mentioned earlier again. For repeat, these are the number of companies which have recruited in the past from our institution, cadets. Our cadets are always involved in co-curricular activities and do participate in academic body events which is conducted in and around Chennai, on some occasions even outside of Tamil Nadu also. In the past, our cadets have got Best Cadet Awards conducted by Nautical Institute. Whale Spec Symposium was conducted in the past. National Maritime Day Parade and Conference, our students participate every year. In inter-college events conducted by other maritime institutions, we strongly encourage our students to go and participate. Informatively, this institution is certified as A1 outstanding grade in comprehensive inspection program by Indian Register of Shipping, authorized by Directorate General of Shipping. In 2011, we also got as the best maritime training institute in India. Over and above all this, this institution is also certified with the ISO 9001-2015 standards. Briefly, these are the highlights. In 1998, we started this pre-seed training, the first one to start nautical science 3-year program in South India. In 2000, we got ISO 9001 certification. First steel ship in campus was built in 2004-5. We got in 2007, first in South India to get this bridge simulator from Kongsberg, Norway. We became deemed university in 2008. We had good rating from CRISIL, which is defunct now. Now we have got CAP grading, which is outstanding and very good. We are also accredited by NAC and NBA for the BA Marinering program. So, ladies and gentlemen, and the cadets who are here, that is a brief presentation. And again, a bit of this presentation got truncated due to internet connectivity. I again profusely apologize for it. We shall be more careful for the future. Now, after this, we will close this meeting. Your faculty will get in touch with you through WhatsApp. Some of you may be having some questions. Some of your parents may be having questions. You are welcome to ask all your questions through the WhatsApp group that you are in right now. You are free to send all your queries by email to us. We will also share a link later where you can put anything with respect to this presentation, your comments, which you can log in and give to us, which will be sent by email to us. With this presentation, I'll come to the conclusion of what I had to say. May I now request Ms. Rajapriya to take over and do her anchoring part. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Certainly, your addresses goes a long way in inspiring to strive and achieve more. Thank you all. Now, I invite Ms. Maheshwari ma'am to give vote of thanks. I invite Maheshwari madam to give vote of thanks.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Your warm and studies, Captain N. Kumar sir, worthy teachers, parents, my dear students, and everyone gathered here. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks and really hard to make this inaugural ceremony to happen. I, Ms. Maheshwari Purushottaman, on behalf of School of Fraternity of the institution, first of all, extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. I extend my gratitude towards our most valued, Honorable Chancellor of Vistas, encouragement and support in the development of Vistas institution. I convey my sincere thanks to our respected Director of School of Maritime Studies, Captain N. Kumar sir, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars. I thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts in developing their respective course materials. I also extend my thanks to all the administration staff members for their utmost cooperation in the admission process. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children will not be able to achieve the excellence. Thank you so much for attending this event. Last but not least, I thank all my dear students for your active participation in this inauguration event. Once again, thank you very much to all who have assembled here. Thank you. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all. You all will be added in WhatsApp group. You will be getting your classroom, that is class link through that WhatsApp group. If you have any queries, you can feel free to ask at any time. We are here to help you and guide you. Thank you all. Thank you so much.